Your motorcycle is more than transportation. It reflects your personality and passion for riding. Dents from minor mishaps can impact your bike's look and structure, but these 7 tips help you repair them safely and effectively. First, assess the damage by examining depth, paint condition, and material type, steel, aluminum, or fiberglass, to determine the best repair method. Next, use the right tools, such as suction cups, glue pullers, body filler, sandpaper, and heat guns, to ensure precision and prevent additional damage. The heat and cool method offers a simple DIY approach for small dents, heating and rapidly cooling the metal to pop out imperfections. When addressing gas tank dents, caution is vital due to limited access and potential fire hazards. Professional help is recommended for deep or complex damage. Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) stands out as an effective, paint-safe, and cost-efficient method, ideal for preserving the motorcycle's original finish. If paint is cracked or chipped, sanding, filling, and repainting may be necessary to restore the surface. Finally, know when to call a professional, especially for sharp, deep, or stretched dents near seams or chrome areas. Skilled PDR technicians use specialized tools to deliver seamless results. By assessing damage, applying proper repairs, and seeking expert help when needed, riders can keep their motorcycles in top shape. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.